Hey guys, welcome back to Living Life Barefoot. Tonight I am hosting a workshop for my microgreen grow kits. I want to share this video with you because maybe you are a stay-at-home mom that has a side job and you want to kind of do a little more with your business. Maybe you want to branch out and start teaching people what it is that you do with your small business, like I'm doing with my microgreen grow kits. So I'm just gonna share with you tonight how I'm making a little extra income as a stay-at-home mom, a busy mom at that, with my microgreens business. I do grow microgreens for other people to purchase. I also have put together a microgreen grow kit that we ship out everywhere to teach people how to grow microgreens, but I also love doing these in-person workshops, teaching people to get right in there and actually do the work as they're learning. I think that's the best way, and you can really use workshops with any business that you have. So I'm gonna get ready for tonight and share it all with you. With the purchase of the ticket to my workshop, everybody is getting one of our grow kits. I am going to walk them through step by step how to use the grow kits, how to grow your microgreens from start to finish, how to use your microgreens after you've grown them in your daily meals, and also the benefits of growing microgreens. So everybody's gonna get a kit. I also have some handouts that people can take home. Maybe they wanna do a little of their own research on microgreens, so just some resources for them to look at. I'm also gonna bring extra seeds for them to purchase, and I have a new product coming out and they're the first ones to be able to see it. So that's gonna be exciting tonight. Let's see what else. I'm actually hosting with a local businesswoman that is also a chef. So it's gonna be like the coolest workshop ever. She's gonna prepare some appetizers that we're gonna be able to sample the microgreens that I grew for the workshop, so they can try it out different ways and get the flavors and the textures and just see what the microgreens look like when they're fully grown, so they get an idea of what to look forward to when they grow their own at home. I think workshops are great because you can basically do them however you want. However fits your schedule. You can do them once a month, once a week. You can hold them at other people's homes, at businesses. You can even do them from home or also do them online. You can have them hands-on or just have a lecture. You basically can do whatever you want, but it is a really good way to earn some extra income, small business that you already have. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything loaded up and get ready to head to the workshop. All right, we just arrived. I have all my supplies. I have living trays of microgreens. I have our grow kits, handouts, all of the things. So I'm getting ready to take all this in and get set up and start our workshop. Like to the last workshop I did, it was more hands-on. So the people that bought the kits, we actually planned it together, but I like everybody getting their hands in the dirt. That's the best way I like to learn, is actually through me.
Now, do we get dirt online for that?
Sure. Yeah. Like I said, you don't really need anything. I just recommend a good quality organic. So in your kit, you're gonna have two sets of trays here. Two solid trays with no holes and two trays with holes. You can plant two growings at the same time, or you can plant one and then several days later, maybe you plant another. So you kind of have a little growing rotational cycle going there. So when you're out of one, you have the other one going. That's kind of how I do my business. You'll have enough soil here to do 2 grow cycles. The seeds that we included is the salad mix, the broccoli, and the sunflower. These are all pre-measured for the 10 by 10 trays. Try to make it as easy and simple as possible. So if and when you go to reorder the seeds, they're going to come exactly like this, pre-measured. So you don't have to do any measuring. One pack will go into. Was so much fun. I ended up staying super late and just chatting. I highly suggest if you want to grow your business, get out there, do the workshops, educate people, make some really great connections. You just never know how it's going to help your business. Even partnering with the host of the workshop, she took some of our microgreen grow kits. She's going to keep them at her store and help us sell them. So you just never know what can come out of these workshops. It's just a perfect way to just add some extra income in your business, and it'll help just grow your business, just get the word out there and make some really great connections. I hope my video helped you think about how you can incorporate doing workshops with your small business. It is a great way for a busy mom that owns a small business to even just be able to connect with some other moms and other small businesses. So if you liked today's video, please make sure you hit the like button, and as always, share our videos and make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. So we will catch you on the next video.